Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing Ethereum, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, just like Bitcoin, basically, I think this is very clearly a 1, 2, 3. We are most likely in a wave 4. I'm definitely looking for these Fibonacci bounces. I think eventually it is probably going to continue the uptrend, probably eventually even going to retest these highs, if not even break the highs. So heading down to the weekly time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on the series of higher highs, higher lows for the wave 3. I think more than likely we're already in a wave C of wave 4. We do have a 50% Fibonacci bounce, which it could possibly end the correction right there for sure. If it does end the correction right there, then we should be able to identify the end of a trend for the wave C, which would also identify the end of the whole ABC correction. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we have definitely been going up the last couple of days, but so far we have no end of a end of a trend. We have no breaker structure. If it does go down and make that double bottom shape and a breaker structure, that's what is going to tell me the wave 4 of wave C is over. We definitely do not have that picture. Our most recent structure is way up here, telling me that I think there's a very good chance this move up is a correction to this last push down, which is why we got our Fibonacci retracement there. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, I'm definitely watching my fib levels. I don't really think it's over yet. I mean, it looks more like a trend to me. Kind of makes me think that this correction may actually stretch out for a while because probably the next move down is not going to be the continuation of the downtrend. It's probably going to be a wave B. Then it will probably go up again for a wave C. Then eventually it will probably end up continuing the downtrend and either retesting that higher time frame fib level, then making a bounce and breaking structure, or maybe it'll just keep on going to the next Fibonacci level on the weekly time frame. So heading right down to the 1 hour time frame, until you actually get that fib bounce and a break of structure, I would definitely still be looking for longs, especially if you trade the very short time frames. I would definitely be looking for 1, 2, 3 way pullbacks to go long. We've had a couple pretty decent little long opportunities since this move up started. We've had at least 3 chances to go long already since we had the break of structure to the upside. So I would definitely still be looking for longs at least until you get that double top at a fib level, whichever level it decides to respect, then a break of structure to the downside. When you see this picture right here, it possibly is the end of a correction. Or if it really does decide to make a wave B, then potentially it would do something like this, then break structure to the downside. So just pay attention to structure, pay attention to price, and you should have a pretty good idea of what to do next. If you see, a nice solid break of structure, then you could look for shorts. If there's no break of structure, continue to look for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.